We moved onto the place 3 weeks before the flood started. We purchased the property and standing crops and lucerne and rocket fuel. It started raining and our whole place went under. So it was probably very lucky that we didn't buy any cattle.
Yeah.
They would have needed snorkels because the water was higher than our strainer posts. So, and that stayed on the property for nearly nine weeks. And we had to live in town. So yeah, the only way we could get to the farm was by boat. So we boated out each day for 9 weeks. We had an excavator to spend 2 days building a levee bank around our house, which we saved. And then the water got so high that we ended up having to get sandbags. And we made a few phone calls to some people, and we ended up having 1,500 sandbags, semi-truck on the highway, and we had to cart them in on tractor and trailer because we couldn't get vehicles in because the water was too high. And we had over sort of between 30 and 50 people laying sandbags. We had to get them in on the tractor, on the hay trailer behind the tractor to get them in, and it was quite an experience. It was amazing the support from the local community, especially when we'd only been there for 3 weeks. So yeah, it was quite amazing. It's not a great start for farm ownership, that's for sure. But yeah, we're just got to look at the positives now and set the plate. Now we can set it up how we want to. But probably wouldn't have made many changes because obviously it was an operation, a farm that was in operation. So it mightn't have been for years that we made changes. So now we're trying to set it up the way that we want it, and trying to clean up and so leading up to now, we moved back just before Christmas, and we've been cleaning up the farm, been working to midnight most nights trying to clean up and pick up driftwood and start working all the crops back in, and sort of worked half of the farm now. So fix all the fences and stuff like that. When you're in flight or flight mode, you do things and you keep on going, but then once it's sort of left, it's pretty emotionally draining.